Guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you facing the Print Spooler stopping problem on your Windows 11? No need to worry. We are going to give you a fix in a minute. Also get a quick expert assistance by calling the numbers displayed on the screen. In this video, I'll show you how to restart the Print Spooler on your computer to resolve this issue. So, without any further ado, let's get started. You need to open the service window on your computer. After that, locate the Print Spooler option and double-click on it. Then, move to the Startup Type option on the next page and ensure that the Automatic option is selected. Also, check the service status and ensure it shows running. After that, go ahead and select Apply and click on the OK option. Next, you need to right-click on the Print Spooler option once again and Restart option.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.